my loves. Okay, I just got home from the grocery store, Walmart, and Food City. Some of you, wherever you are in this world, you may not know what Food City is, but anyway, it's hot. I bought like $400 or $500 worth of groceries. I'm tired. But as I pull into my driveway with all these groceries, sweat dripping off of me, hot as hell, tired as hell, there is my first ever FabFitFun box. As many of you know, I've canceled almost all of my subscription boxes. This is a new one. I figure coming, once every 3 months, that's a little more doable instead of the monthly ones that they were starting to add up a little bit. So I'm super excited about this because I've seen some unboxings and there are some goodies. So if you'd like to see what is in this box along with me, then just keep watching. Alright, let's get it open. I have never... Oh, so this one says, in support of Wildlife Conservation Society. So that's pretty cool. I wonder if any of the proceeds go to that society. Okay, so when you first open, you get this FabFitFun magazine. Tells you a little bit about the stuff that you get. Seems like some pretty cool articles, so we'll put this by the toilet. You guys do it. Don't act like you don't. All right. I already see some good stuff. Where should I start? Okay, so let's start with the Pier 1 box. I love Pier 1. How cute is that? It's just a little tray. I feel like this would be a great place for my dirty beauty blenders. Alright, love it, adorable. I wonder what the price of that is. I think that magazine told us the prices. Let's look. How'd my makeup hold up with all of that grocery shopping? Okay. So that dish retails for $14.99. So we'll just leave this right here. I want to total up the cost of the box. So let's get our calculator out. Alright, that one was $14.99. Next, we have Body Caviar. This is Hawaiian Black Lava Body Caviar with charcoal. It's a hydrating body scrub. Our new Body Caviar Premium Oil and Salt Body Scrub will truly revolutionize your skin. Retail... Oh, hell no. $48 for a scrub? Pretend you didn't see that. I'm not digging the smell, but if it leaves my skin clean, I will take it. So that is $48. I could have got that or the Aromatherapy De-Stress Muscle Gel. So I'm glad I got the body scrub. $48. Alright. They put a straw in there. This straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. How cool. Does it say anything about the straw in here? I don't think so. That is really cute. Okay. Next we have Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. It's an enzymatic cream exfoliator. This retails for $45. Woo! I could have gotten this or the Orlando Pita Play Hair Protectant Treatment Spray. So again, I'm glad I got that. Good job. Good job. Okay. Next we got a sunscreen from Kula. It's the Classic Face SPF 50 Organic Moisturizer Plus Sunscreen. So this retails for $32. Cruelty free. Yay. Alright, next we got the Tartiest Pro Glow. This is a highlight and contour palette. So it has one cream contour, one contour, and these are all highlight shades. So that's very cool. This retails for $45. Love that. Okay. Okay. Next we got the Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. This retails for $29. This I have gotten a smaller size in a another subscription box. I can't remember. Ipsy maybe. And I cannot use this. This was really, really strong, and it was way too strong for my face. So I may put this in my 500 subscriber giveaway. Alright, we got two more things in here, which I'm super excited about. We got this makeup case. Now, you could go on the website and choose if you wanted the makeup case or the beach towel. I chose the makeup case. So it's just like a train case. This is the inside. So lots of room. In fact, let's put some of our stuff in there now. And then it has a top zipper here. That would be a good place to put your brushes. There's a zipper pouch. There's a little plastic pouch, and then I guess these are for your brushes. Then there's a card, a gift for you. Enjoy $50 off your purchase of $200 or more at yummykim.com. So this retails for $58. Let's put that in. Okay, and the last item, we got a Foreo. Yay! This is the Foreo Luna. I actually own a Foreo. My daughter and I both use one, but my youngest daughter doesn't. So this will be perfect for her to use. The Foreo Luna retails for $89. So the total retail value of this box was $360.99. So not a bad deal. Not a bad deal at all. I feel like it's Christmas. I will leave the link to FabFitFun down in the description box if you want to check it out. Like I said, it's a little bit more expensive, but not too bad than, like, say, your BoxyCharm or other subscription boxes like that. But this one only comes once every 3 months, so you get it seasonally. So as you can tell, this one was all geared towards summer. And this is my first experience with it, and I am beyond happy. Like, I am happy. The only thing that I won't be able to use is this, so this will go in my 500 subscriber giveaway. Did I say what the retail value of this one was? $29. It's an exfoliating cleanser. And I've heard a lot of people love this, but it was just too harsh for my skin. Alright, my loves, that is it. I'm so happy to be home. I did not want to spend this beautiful sunshiny day shopping, so I'm about to go put my swimsuit on and hit the pool. I hope you guys have a great, beautiful, sunshiny summer day.